Hello, everyone. This is another market moment with Randy Williams Gurian. Hey, thanks for tuning in today. The equity markets, in at least the US equity markets, have been miserable for really since the start of the year, and it seems to have sort of accelerated again on the downside in April, leading up to tax day, and now even any kind of a rally is just the market is struggling mightily with interest rates. So today we had a nice look like we're going to have a nice little opening, possibly 2 day rally. And the 10-year treasury skipped ahead 10 basis points. The bond vigilantes were out in full force, skipped ahead to 2.9, and lo and behold, all the stocks sold off. So I think that's going to be a pattern that's going to continue until we get interest rates to a level where inflation looks like inflation will stop rising, and that nobody knows where that level is. And because nobody knows where that level is, uh, the bond vigilantes are winning. The stock market does not like uncertainty, and that's what's going on because people don't know. Well, the rates have to go to 4% or 5% or 6%, or what do we got to do to kill off this inflation threat? Well, the good news is I think we're getting close. Remember, the Fed has barely even started moving rates up on the short end of the curve, but the long end of the curve has moved up a lot. And that's going to reverberate back into the economy. It's going to slow it down, and it should really help on, cut down the inflation worries. It's just a question of seeing those things come together. And once they come together, I think you have the makings of what could be a pretty nice move to the upside on the equities. But it's going to take some time, and people are just getting frustrated. And, you have to be a long term investor. I mean, we have a bad market. That's what we have. We have a bad market, and it feels bad. I mean, compared to feeling good in terms of a good market and it going up. I mean, it's something that I've over the years kind of had to deal, I've had to deal with this many, many times. So I'm pretty, I'm pretty dialed into how this works. It's going to take a while, and but at some point, Mr. Market will win out, and you'll want to be invested to participate on the upside. The worst thing now is to capitulate because you're frustrated. You need to be a long-term investor, and that's how you're successful in the market. That's how I've been successful, and that's my advice here. Just buy great companies, hold on to them for the long haul, and you'll be well rewarded. So anyway, with that, thanks for tuning in today, and we'll talk to you again hopefully next week.